Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's Millionaire prediction 27 10 22. 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 10. 11 to 20, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 20. 21 to 30, 21, 23, 24, 27, 28. Previous result 7, 25, 26, 28, 32, 39, 41. Here 7 matched 25, 26. These three number matched and one number from 9 I already said 9, 19, 29, 39. This is past prediction 39. One number 10, 20, 30, 40. This is filed. Try this draw. Today's draw. Try 10, 20, 30, 40. One number. This month no this number. On repeat. This is filed prediction. This draw try on repeat. Maybe it will happen. 25 or 35. This is past prediction. 25. And 11, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. This is past prediction. 41. Here 41. Double number chance filed 6, 16, 26 on number. This is past 26. 31 to 40, 32, 33, 34, 37, 38 and 40. 41 to 44, 41. This is my prediction number. This draw try one number repeat. Here repeat maybe 32, 39, 41 one number repeat chance. Last time no repeat. And try this also 10, 20, 30, 40 one number. Ten, 20. Here no 30. If you want add 30, add 40 also. And this draw one number chance 6, 16. Also chance 6, 16, 26, 36. One number chance. Here 6, 16 have. And another chance 7, 17, 27, 37. One number chance. And one chance from 4. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44. More chance 34 or 24, 14. These three number chance. And one number chance 3, 13, 23, 33, 43. One number chance. One number 4, 4, 14, 24, 34 and 44. Here no 44. On number 7, 7, 17, 27, 37. 17, 27, 37. On number 3, 3, 13, 23, 33. Here no 43. If you want add 43, 43 add. Here I write only chance. Previous draw 7. Only 4 passed. Also here only 5 passed. You choose number, choose your own ideas. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.